Hi. Today we're going to tell you about benefits of unsuspended Google AdMob. Let's get started. If you are the app developer and you are looking for a way to monetize your persistence and creativity, consider using AdMob. It has benefits across the market. Google AdMob connect publishers with advertisers from all over the world, from small and medium-sized businesses to prominent brands. This allows them to generate higher revenue from their ads. Google AdMob is an integrated part of Google Analytics, allowing you to analyze various metrics related to app performance. These tools can help you improve the efficiency of your app and increase the revenue you generate. Google AdMob is the best way for app owners to control the types of ads that they display. This allows them to protect their brand and ensure that their users are getting the best possible experience. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.